This is so pretty, and it was so easy to install. Stay tuned. We'll show you how to do it. Today I'm going to be trying out this window privacy cling in our upstairs bathroom that has a giant window in the shower, and it's not a privacy window. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut it to fit, install it for you, and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. My husband might weigh in also because I might enlist his help as an extra set of hands. Just for reference, this is what was on our bathroom window before, and it was falling off and held together with pieces of tape, and it was just no good. The first step is going to be to clean your window, like really, really well. Next, you're going to measure the window and cut a piece to fit. You could use scissors for this, but we're using a utility knife. It smells like contact paper. So there is a backing on this that you have to remove before you put this on the window. The window and the back of this have to be wet. That's super important. They have to be wet. So we're going to take the backing off first, and then we're going to wet these down. Ooh, look at it's colorful. It's so pretty. He's got that on high. At first, you're going to leave a little extra slack on 3 sides. Then you can scrape the water and the air bubbles from out behind the actual paper and trim it to fit. We're going to repeat the process for the top window. And just like that, we are complete. Look at how nice that looks. It has a really beautiful, like, rainbow, but not super, it's kind of subtle. Like it just looks like soap bubbles almost. I really like it. If you look at it from outside, you can see where the bubbles are. Can you see where the bubbles are?